This is the kind of property that you drive past and you dream about. One day, if it ever comes on the market, I want the opportunity to buy this home. Set on the prestigious corner of Windsor Street and Hillside Avenue on the exclusive Claremont Hill, this property is the kind of property that will give you the lifestyle you will never want to leave. But first, the house. This gorgeous character home has served this family since 1964. It has all of the hallmarks of a character home of the Federation era, and it's had quality extensions over the years. So this wonderful family home is ready for you and yours to move straight on in and start enjoying. High on a hill, yet in a quiet spot that is so close to everything that makes Claremont Hill so good. We are very near to Swanbourne Village, the Swanbourne train station, local and private schools, and from here you can even walk to the beach. I encourage you to come along and take advantage of this once-in-a-generation opportunity.